Well, dear viewers, wherever you are, it's another video and another chance for us to learn the pronunciation of those confusing words. Words that look alike, but they are partially different in spelling and pronunciation. And with that, I have to begin by reminding you that you are watching this video on the channel Willice Ochieng. I'm Willice Ochieng, talking to you all the way from Kenya, and wherever you are, just do the listening because we are learning, and learning has no full stop, no end for any human being, Willice included. Now, let's move to the first pair of words that are confusing, and they are right here. The first one, you say caution, caution. But the word below, you say cushion, caution, cushion, full stop. Clear? Great. Let's move to the next pair. And the next pair is right here. The first word, you say cop, C-O-P, cop. The next one, you say cope, to cope with a situation. The first one, cop, C-O-P, cop. C-O-P-E, cope. Clear? Great. Now let's move to the next pair, and it's another pair that really confuses many people. H-O-P. You say hop, to hop. But H-O-P-E, you say hope, hope. Clear? Good. Now let's move to the next one, and that is a pair that is very tricky. Very tricky. Now, take a look. Can we begin with the word below? Can you pronounce this word? Could you try? Well, the upper one, they are not pronounced the same way. The word below, you say sow, sow, a very tricky word. Sow, not sew. Sow, to sow, a sewing machine. Clear? Then the upper one has two acceptable or alternative pronunciations. You can say sue, to sue somebody, or sue, to sue or to sue. Clear? Great. Now let's move to the next pair, and we have S-O-R-E as the first one. Can you say it? Can you say it again? You say saw, saw, simply saw. But the second one I know is tricky. Can you try? Don't say so. You say sour, sour. Sour milk, a sore throat. Sore, sore throat. Sour, sour milk. Clear? Great. Now let's move to the next pair. And the next pair is right here. Now, D-U-E-L, you say dual. Dual, just like D-U-A-L, dual. Don't say dwell. Dwell, no. Then the second one, you say dwell. D-W-E-L-L, dwell. Dual, the upper one, dwell, the second one. Clear? Good. Now, viewers, we go to the next one, and we have L-I-S-T. You say list, list. Don't say least. List, no. List is for the second one or the word below. List, list. List, least. Clear? Great. Now let's move to the next word, and that which looks, simple but tricky. The pair looks simple but tricky. Lorry, worry. Lorry, worry. The irregularities in English spelling and pronunciation can be very confusing, because if you look at these two words and the ones that I have for you after this, they look alike. The letter sequences really look alike, but the pronunciations are different. The pronunciations are different. Now, with that, you say lorry, worry. Lorry, worry. But O-R-R-Y can be confusing because they are just identical but sounded differently. Clear? Great. Now let's move to the next one. Now, we have this one. B-O-T-H-E-R. What do you say? Bother. To bother somebody. Bother. But M-O-T-H-E-R, do we say mother? Well, we have bother. Bother. But do we say mother? No. We now say mother. Mother. Bother. Mother. Very confusing but manageable if you get good guidance, like on these videos. Clear? Great. Now let's move to this one. The first one. I know many people would be very attracted to this pair. P-O-T-A-T-O. You say potato. Potato. But the word below, you say tomato. Tomato, potato. But remember, in American pronunciation and maybe other varieties of English, you may hear of tomato or tomato. Tomato, tomato. But please, when you are keen on RP and its varieties or approximations, you simply say potato and tomato. Clear? But that does not say that somebody cannot pronounce the second word as tomato. Please, with pronunciations, they are not strictly prescriptive. It depends on where you are sometimes and where you are using English as a language or a medium of communication. Clear? So, potato, tomato. But if somebody says tomato, well, it could be a personal or institutional choice. Or it depends on where somebody is. Clear? Great. Now let's move to the next pair. The next pair is also very tricky because only S makes the difference in the second word. The first one, you say laughter. Laughter. But the second one, slaughter. Laughter, slaughter. Do we say slaughter? No. Slaughter. As I said, the irregularities, those irregularities in English spelling and pronunciation can be very confusing. Laughter, slaughter. Why don't we say slaughter? Well, let us follow the rules of a language. Clear? When these words have different origins, sometimes you find the letter sequences could be identical, the same, but the soundings are different. That is a common thing. Now, let's come to these two words, or this pair. The first one, you say manure. Manure or manure. Manure or manure. But the second one, you say tenure. Tenure. Not tenure, not tenure, tenure. The second word, tenure. The first one, manure or manure. Manure or manure. Clear? Great. Otherwise, dear viewers, that does it for this video. And if you want to reach me, you can use these contacts. That is +254 727 029 159. Or just go to email williceochieng28@gmail.com. Otherwise, it's a time that I still remind you, you like, share and subscribe. You know how that means, or that is mattering, or that matters. Let me use the right language. You know how that matters on our journey. Is that clear? Great. For now, I say bye.